Hello students, welcome to online class organized by South Point Boarding Schools. Previous classes I have discussed about sets, class 9, subject maths. The first class of set, just I am given definition of sets, okay, and types of sets, relation of sets, but two types relation of sets are given for, but I am just describe any two, okay, but just remaining two I am describing. First is from third, overlapping sets. Relation of two sets. 1 2 completed. From 3, overlapping sets, and this one set remaining. Equal and equivalent set is finished, okay, because equal set, it means equal set cardinal number and its elements are same, but equivalent sets, their only cardinal number same is known as equivalent sets. So from overlapping sets and disjoint sets remaining, what do you mean by overlapping sets? If set A and B having at least one common element, that means suppose, let's example, let A equals to 1 3 5 7 and set B equals to 3 5 7, okay. So 3 5 7 is common element, 3 5 7 and 9 also. So 3 5 7 is common elements, each set A and B. So suppose at least one common element, if overlapping set is overlapping set, that means suppose any two sets having at least one common element is known as overlapping sets, okay. If any two sets have at least one common element, more than one also, but at least one common element is known as overlapping sets, okay. So suppose of disjoint sets, suppose two sets having no any common element, it means no common element, it means suppose the set P equals to A, B, C, D and Q equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. So in the set P and Q there is no any common element, it means it's called disjoint sets. Not joint, it means no any common, it means disjoint sets, okay. The Venn diagram of overlapping set is, and Venn diagram of disjoint set is, okay. So now number 5, cardinal number of sets. Cardinal number of sets. The number of elements contained by a set is called cardinal. If the number of elements contained by a set is called cardinal number. Just for example, suppose set A, B, C. What is the cardinal number of set? Number of A equals to 3. Suppose B equals to, what is the cardinal number of set B? No any, it means 0, because set B is empty set. Set B has no any common element. Sorry, no any set B contain no any elements. C. Just we on D was on D. So cardinal number of C is 1. Okay. Suppose A E I O U. So cardinal number of T is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means 5. Is the cardinal number of sets. Okay. Number 6. Subset and proper subset. First of all, what do you mean by subset? Suppose set A and B. Suppose set A and B are two sets, and all elements of B contains in A. So B is called subset of A. Suppose A equals to 1, 2, 3, 10. Okay, and set B equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So all elements of B contain in A, because it is set of natural number 1 to 10, and it is a word number 1 to 10. So all elements of B contain in A. So the set B is subset of A. Okay, subset. Set B is the subset of A. Okay, we can write set B is the subset of A. B is the subset of A. Okay. How can you find subset of any number? The formula is 2 to the power n. Number of subset 2 to the power n. Suppose let set A is A, B, C. And how many total number of subset in set A? How can you find? The number of subset is 2 to the power n. It means how many elements? N equals to 3. So 3, whether 8 to the power 3 is 8. How can you find 8? Okay. Set A, B, C, A comma B, B comma C, A comma C, and A, B, C, and 5. Total is 8 or not? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So number of subset is 8, but how many proper subset? Proper subset is 2 to the power n minus 1. It means 2 to the power 3 minus 1 equals to 8 minus 1 equals to 7. So all the elements is correct, but similar element is left. Just for example, A, B, and C, AB, BC, AC, and 5, because this is not proper subset, because it is a given set. Okay, so the A, B, C is the subset, but A, B, C is not proper subset. So the number of subset in set A is 8, but number of proper subset in set A is 7. Okay. So respectively you can also find how many subset in any sets using this formula. Okay. Next, universal set. Universal sets suppose let set A equals to 1 2 3 4 5 100. Okay, and set B equals to 2 4 6 8 100. Okay, so which one is the universal set? B is the subset, because you also previous given there how can you find the subset. So B is the subset of A, so A is the universal set of B because A is the large subset and B is a small set. So A is the universal set in given two sets. Okay, natural number, sets of natural number, sets of prime number, sets of odd number, sets of even number. Okay, etc. So any large components of set is known as universal sets of. Okay, so suppose C is given there, suppose 1 3 5 7 99. So in three sets A is universal set and B and C is the subset of set A. Okay, now some Venn diagram. What is indication of the shaded part? Shaded part means it's called A intersection B. Some Venn diagram. Number 2. Are called A and B. Okay, and number 3, A B. Suppose this one A minus B this called 1D also, and it's called B minus A. Only B also. It's okay. Thank you all of you. I also completed sets in other episode. Also thank you.